You are welcome to Introduction to Computer Science 2, CSC 112. The computer has been part of our life, and it has gone to the extent that we cannot do our day-to-day work without the computer. The use of computers has helped us in various areas, like in communications, entertainment, healthcare, businesses, among others. For example, in the healthcare system, the computer has helped in real-time tracking and monitoring of patients, automated diagnosis system, and treatment of patients without physically visiting the hospital. In the previous semester, you have taken CSC 111, Introduction to Computer Science 1, where you are exposed to the basic information on computer science. This course will advance on the previous knowledge on CSC 111. CSC 112 discusses the basic concepts of computer and fundamental concept of basic programming language with a specific focus on Q basic programming language. The course is organized into 5 distinct modules, with each module addresses more than one study unit. The first module introduces you to the computer operating system, highlighting the characteristics, functions, and objectives of the operating system. Types of operating system based on the nature of computer and the operation performed are also covered. The next module discusses problem-solving techniques, briefly explain computer science and the computer system. This leads us to another module that discusses algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocodes. This module covers steps involved in develop algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode, with example in solving problem in details. Also, the module discusses the computer programming language concept generally. Concepts like compiler, interpreter, procedural, and object-oriented programming language are also covered. The next module discusses how to solve a problem using basic code and basic programming language by explaining how to install QBasics programming language, basic QBasic character set, language content, variables and constant, QBasic language statement. Lastly, the module concludes with a sample of a programming written in QBasic programming language concept. The control structure is equally covered with a detailed explanation of selection, interactives, and sequence control structures. The building system function and string manipulation are not left out. The course goal of this course is to expose you to the knowledge required in programming using the QBasic programming language. Learning outcomes. At the end of this course, you should be able to 1. Explain the fundamentals of operating system. 2. Describe the various types of operating system. 3. Differentiate between different types of operating system. 4. Explain the fundamental of problem-solving techniques. Describe the algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode and all their underlying concepts. Explain the programming language. Describe the concept of computer programming languages. Discuss the concept of compiler and interpreter. Highlight the operation of switch, router, and bridge. Explain the basic principle of procedural and object-oriented programming language. And explain the concept of basic programming language. Requirement for success. You should refer to your student handbook, which is available on the website and in hard copy form. To get information on the procedure of distance and e-learning, you should contact the CODL desk, which is available 24/7 for every of your inquiry. Visit ODL virtual classroom, then log in with your credential and click on CSC 112. Download and read through the unit of instruction for each week before the scheduled time of instruction. You should Also, download and watch the relevant video and listen to the postcard so that you will understand and follow the course facilitators. At the scheduled time, you are expected to log in to the classroom for interaction. Self-assessment component of the courseware is available as exercise to help you learn and master the concept of you have gone through. You are to answer the tutor mark assignment for each unit and submit it for assessment. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.